Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix PUBG Battlegrounds not launching or starting on your PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. The quickest fix if you are using your Steam launcher, which you probably are, is to just revise the application files. So from here all you have to do is to click on the settings section right here that says manage. Then from manage you're going to click on properties. Once you click on properties, you're going to go to the installed files. And then from the installed files, you're going to click verify integrity of game files. Once you have the full game downloaded and you verify it, it's going to check for any corrupt files that you might have. And so it's going to make sure to fix them. Then after that, you're just going to go to the general. And then from here in the launch options, you're going to write -DX11 or DX10 depending on the version that you might have. This will force it to work with DirectX 10 or 11, which will help it just launch very more smoothly. And that is it. Your final option is to just uninstall it and reinstall it again, and that should be all good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.